Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today I'm very excited to show you a 2024 Sea Ray SPX 230. Beautiful boat here. This does come with the trailer shown. We have the classic Sea Ray blue hull side color and the white hull bottom. As we take a look at the top here, we do have our standard bimini. And then making our way to the swim platform here, it's a really nice sea deck. This does have the manual submersible step that goes down in the water. So you have 1 point of entry here, and then also our ladder over here on the port side. And this does have the 250 horsepower Mercruiser, does have the Bravo 3, 2 counter-rotating props, so you're going to have a great punch out of the hull. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. You can see right here we have a nice entryway into the port side of the boat. We also have a door right here that you can shut and kind of block everything off. Tons of storage on this boat. As we look here, got a good spot here maybe for shoes, fenders, dock lines, things like that. And then on this sun pad back here, we have a really great backrest. So if you're anchored, you can sit back here and hang out and relax when you're on the water. And then, as I had mentioned on the exterior, this does have the 250 in here, Bravo 3. And then on this side, we do have a table for the boat and a great storage spot there for the bow filler cushion as well. And then as we take a look inside here, we have nice L-shaped seating, a cooler underneath here that you can take out, fill up, and bring back to the boat. And then also a insulated self-draining cooler over here as well. We have the classic non-skid flooring right here with our ski locker. So lots of room down below to store items, pretty much anything that you're going to bring on the water. Right now it's got the cover in there. It's got a snap-in cover for the bow and the cockpit area, and you can actually trailer the boat with the cover on. Port side, we have a seat right here that does pop up and adjust. You can sit all the way back or face forward. Great spot to hang out. And then also here at the helm, traditional bucket seat with the flip up bolster. We do have Fusion audio, digital throttle and shift, and then our Simrad display. So engine vitals, chart plotting, diagnostics, everything's going to be very accessible here at the helm. Ergonomically sound here when you're sitting down and driving the boat. You have great visibility. Port side, this does come up with a pump out head, which is a great feature on the 230 SPX. And then as we make our way into the bow, seating on either side here, we have a spot up here in the bow for an anchor. And again, this does have a bow filler cushion, so you can make this into a complete sun pad. Again, this is a 2024 SPX 230. It's located here in Rogers. Come on by and take a look. It's almost summertime.